All right, what is up, guys? So what is going on here this morning is I am in the urban jungle, and by urban jungle I mean when I put in my maps this morning leaving the farm heading here, there's hardly any bare space around this area. I'm in the Largo area this morning down here by St. Pete. I'm at my good friend Will Grant and Jeremy Smith's house this morning, and these guys are doing some awesome stuff. I've been wanting to get over here and make a feature for a really long time. Will told me a couple of months ago they just got a closing on a farm. They're doing this huge thing with a BMX kind of racetrack / integration with permaculture, and I was like, whoa, slow down. I love where you're heading with this, and before they move out of here, I wanted to get over here, feature his place. These guys are both pro BMXers coming from the BMX world and really kind of taking the two, the permaculture and the BMX, and meshing them together. They're really focused on education, helping kids, doing camps, health, breathing, meditation, yoga, workout. Everything these guys do I align with. I think it's pretty awesome, and I've been wanting to bring them to you guys and featuring it. I think this is going to be a really cool one, so hold tight. I'm going to shut up. Let's feature these guys.
How's it going, Pete?
What's going on, dude?
What's up, Green Dreams?
So tell me, where are we at? Who you guys? What do you do here?
My name is Will Grant. This is my roommate / teammate, Jeremy Smith. This is our front yard. We're in Seminole, Florida.
Pinellas Park area.
Yeah, and we've been building soil and planting plants here for I think 4 years now. So the biggest thing was really the mulch. Literally the mulch has been the biggest aspect of it, of just kind of building the soil, and I like to think of the mulch doing most of the work, so we don't really have to come out here and fertilize or water or maintain it, because the mulch kind of takes care of all of that. We sign up for chipdrop.com, where they can literally just drop off loads of mulch for free. We got most of our plants, like I said, from Pete. We got a few plants from a flea market that used to be right down the road, like this one. Here's a coconut. We have Caliandra that actually seeded itself from the Caliandra plant that we got from Pete over there. Yeah. And we got a whole row of banana plants of a few different varieties, some really delicious varieties that we actually got from Pete as well. But yeah, so we just really started mulching the whole front and backyard, and then as we would get plants, we would just dig out a little hole and put the plants in there, and some made it, a lot of them didn't, but then that's kind of how the yard find what works for it. Like, I didn't get discouraged or disappointed by the plants that didn't work. I just kept planting, and the more I planted, the more I learned what worked and what the yard was looking for, and the yard finds its own place of where they want their plants, and it's kind of just been a dance of going along with it. Studying health and performance was really has been our whole life of how to become better athletes, how to become stronger, how to become faster, and nutrition was a side, but it wasn't necessarily for healing and for regeneration. And then when I went through all of the injuries because of the sport, then I really wanted to learn how to regenerate and how to heal. But BMX racing is our life, and we love it.
Dude,
yeah.
You running on Moringa over here?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So
we don't want to be giving away all the tips now.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, just like Will said, like, we've always been healthy, eating healthy, but then we just it's just grown and grown and grown, and yeah, now we're here and eating out of our yard.
We just got 10 acres. And so we're trying to take as many of the cuttings here and to start planting out, the 10 acres eventually too.
We're scaled out of this yard to 10 acres in Mayaca City, and
so we're taking permaculture and BMX and meshing the two.
Yep. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't see them as different, really, right? As a BMX athlete, as an athlete in general, nourishment is a very important factor. So the higher quality nutrients that you're taking in, the higher quality you're going to get out.
Part of it is going to try to, normalize this and just see how beautiful and how we can make it and how much we can grow and feed everybody around us.
I've been sleeping in a tent most of the past month out there already. I'm already sleeping more out there than I am here. But we are building the house, so there was like an old house built in 1960s that we're completely rebuilding. Like, everything was getting redone you know, it has a good foundation and good brick walls, but you know, we're taking the foundation back to the concrete, and we've rebuilt a lot of the walls. So the goal was to be moved in October and have the track and the gym done by the end of the year, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get there. But you know, everything takes a little bit more time and money than expected. But you know, the house should pretty much be done and livable for the most part by February.
Yeah.
Next year will be all about building the track, you know, getting as much dirt out there, and you know, putting a gym out there, and during that whole process we'll be kind of slowly planting, you know, as we find what's best, and then after 5-10 years it's probably going to be a botanical jungle, right? It would be sweet by summer next year, by fall next year, to have some really cool things to ride, you know, and a full gym, a full, you know, sprint spot, a full training facility, and about 8 guest beds to be able to house, like we said, the 15 to 16-year-old kids who are wanting to devote their life to pros already devoting their life, and they actually help us build and garden and coach the kids. So you know, like when you're there, you're all in. So the new farm name is look like it's going to be AKER Farms, AKER, and all based around, you know, the brand that we're building, AKER brand.
Like you said, AKER brand on Instagram. You'll see us doing work on the house, probably planting some stuff here and there,
and a YouTube channel for the AKER brand.
Yeah.
Coming up
soon
as well. Yeah,
Nice.
like, you know, there's so much that we got going on, but you know, we will have a full YouTube channel, so you can check out theirs and ours. Thanks Pete and his channel and Green Dreams and everything that you do, and hope to see y'all soon.
You guys got a lot of dirt to pound.
Let's do it.
Lots of dirt.
Yep.
Get her done.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys, so I think that was a pretty epic feature. I think Will and Jeremy have some awesome tidbits to share with you guys. I think what the work they're doing over here is amazing, and I really like the work they're doing with kids, health, food, where it comes from. Love the message. That's why I wanted to get over here and get you guys this feature. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to head over to Jeremy and Will's channels. Make sure you subscribe to them also. Most importantly, get out there and pound some dirt.